The League of Amazing Programmers is a San Diego-based nonprofit organization that teaches coding to children and teenagers in 5th through 12th grade.
They take students through 8 levels of mastery, from beginner all the way to being a job-ready, certified programmer.
They have an incredible mission to assist additional young people, including girls and students who are underserved, in obtaining the abilities and education necessary to become leaders in the digital era and contribute to the workforce of the 21st century.
That's so important. It's more important than ever to have good computational skills. Did you know that the Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that over 1 million programming jobs in the U.S. will be unfilled by 2022?
Wow, that's crazy. It's great that they are trying to get kids involved and interested in programming at a young age.
Yeah, they offer courses in Java coding classes, Intro to Python, and seasonal coding camps. There was even one special workshop where students began designing a low-cost ventilator system using easily available components.
That's so cool. And they also provide an electrical engineering track, which leads to a junior engineer certification. For this program, they had an all-girls class, where students received hands-on training in designing and building electronic gadgets, which could lead to exciting careers in technology.
Plus, they are offering summer camps in 2023 for kids to learn coding and hardware skills while having fun making friends and participating in fun activities like robotics, game design, and more.
That's it for today.